Imagine launching a new product or process, only to be blindsided by an unexpected, costly failure. That surprise could have been entirely prevented. The secret to preventing problems isn't inspection, it's being proactive, not reactive. Today, we're focusing on the ultimate tool for risk prevention, FMEA, or failure mode and effects analysis. This is the systematic approach engineers use to eliminate problems before they even happen. We're going to use this powerful, free online calculator to break down FMEA, covering its origins, core concepts, and showing you the precise, column-by-column workflow for performing an accurate analysis based on the modern AIAG and VDA 7-step approach. If quality and reliability are your mission, this video is essential. The FMEA methodology has a high-stakes pedigree. It was formally developed by the US military in the late 1940s to ensure the reliability of complex equipment. Its most famous early application was by NASA during the Apollo space program. As its value became clear, the automotive industry, led by groups like the AIAG, adopted FMEA in the 1980s. Today, the standard for FMEA is often governed by the AIAG and VDA FMEA Handbook, which promotes a 7-step approach for systematic analysis and risk mitigation. This tool implements those modern principles. At its core, FMEA is a systematic, team-based method that anticipates failures and prioritizes the most critical risks. We distinguish between DFMEA for analyzing product design and PFMEA for analyzing the manufacturing process. The entire analysis hinges on the risk priority number, or RPN. This number is the final risk score, calculated by multiplying 3 critical ratings. Severity, S. How bad is the impact of the failure? Rated 1 to 10. Occurrence, O. How often is the cause of the failure likely to happen? Rated 1 to 10. Detection, D. How well can our current controls detect the cause or failure before the part reaches the customer? Rated 1 to 10. A high RPN, typically a score over 100, flags a critical risk that demands immediate action. This online calculator guides you through the modern 7-step FMEA process. Steps 1 and 2, Structure and Function Analysis. The first step is defining the system. You use the Components panel to list parts, the Contacts panel to define the interfaces and connections between them, and the Functions panel to state what the system is supposed to do, linking them to specific contacts. Step 3, Visualization. The tool instantly generates a structure chart, network diagram, visually mapping your components and functions, helping you ensure your analysis structure is complete. Step 4, Failure Analysis. Once the structure is ready, you click Generate FMEA. This creates the analysis table based on the functions you defined. This is where the team brainstorms the failure mode, the potential effects, and the potential causes for each function. Step 5, Risk Analysis. You use the drop-down menus to assign the severity, S, occurrence, O, and detection, D, scores. Crucially, the tool automatically calculates the RPN, S times O times D, as you select the scores, and highlights high-risk items. Step 6, Optimization. For any item with a high RPN, you use the Recommended Actions column to define specific corrective measures. Once these are implemented, you re-rate the occurrence and detection scores, and the tool calculates the new, lower revised RPN. Step 7, Documentation. Finally, you can export the entire FMEA matrix, including your actions and RPN scores, to an Excel file for your records. FMEA is more than just a table. It's a culture of proactive, structured risk management. By systemically identifying and mitigating these high RPN risks, you stop chasing fires and start designing a reliable future. The link to this free FMEA calculator is in the description below. Start protecting your designs and processes today. What's the highest RPN risk you've ever found in an analysis? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality engineering tools.